Hello and welcome to Indian Kitchen Flavors. Today I'll show you how to prepare this easy sweet corn and cheese sandwich. This is super easy to make and very delicious. So let's get started and have a look at the ingredients required. 1 cup of boiled sweet corn, 2 tablespoons of processed cheese grated, 2 bread slices, butter, 1/4 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of mixed Italian herbs, salt to taste. Let's start by preparing the stuffing first. For that I have a bowl to mix all the ingredients. First goes in the sweet corns. Next we will add the cheese, red chili flakes, Italian herbs and salt to taste. Now we will mix everything until everything is well combined. So here everything has been combined well. So now we will take the bread slices and we will butter it from both the sides. Now our breads are ready. Next I'm going to take a bread slice and then we are going to put the filling on top. And now we are going to cover this up. Next we will toast the sandwich. So for that, moving on to the gas stove. So here I have a tawa heating up. We let the tawa heat up, then we are going to put the bread. Tawa is hot now. We are going to carefully place the bread slices. Since we already applied butter on the bread, so we are not going to add any butter or oil on the tawa. Now we will roast the bread slices from both the sides until they are nice and golden. So the bread is nicely toasted from one side. We are going to flip and toast from the other side as well. So the bread is nicely toasted from both the sides. We are going to switch off the flame. Now I'm going to slice the sandwich into 4 equal parts. You can see how cheesy and nice this is. We are going to plate this up. And our sweet corn and cheese sandwich is all ready to be served. Do give it a try and share your feedbacks with me in the comment section below. If you like today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. Do follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Indian Kitchen Flavors. Thank you for watching. I'll see you again with a new video. Till then, bye bye.